Konnichiwa! I bet you didn't know why Japanese products are renowned for their exceptional quality. Today, we uncover the secrets behind this global phenomenon. The allure of Japanese craftsmanship, a global phenomenon. From the delicate strokes of a hand-painted fan to the intricate designs on a pottery wheel, the artistry is unmistakable. From bullet trains to porcelain teacups, Japanese products captivate the world with exceptional quality. The Shinkansen, a marvel of engineering, symbolizes speed and efficiency, while a porcelain teacup represents the elegance and tradition of Japanese ceramics. This reputation for excellence has been built over centuries. The historic temples stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of Japanese architecture and craftsmanship, while artisans continue to uphold these traditions in their daily work. It's a culture rooted in precision, meticulous attention to detail, and relentless pursuit of perfection. Whether it's the fluid motion of a calligrapher's brush or the exacting standards of a factory assembly line, the commitment to quality is unwavering. The admiration for Japanese craftsmanship extends beyond aesthetics. The tea ceremony, with its ritualistic precision, and the intricate details of woodworking, showcase a deep respect for tradition and an unyielding dedication to mastery. Whether it's a katana or an automobile, the hallmark of Japanese quality is evident. The forging of a samurai sword requires skill and patience, much like the assembly of a car, where every component is meticulously crafted to ensure reliability and performance. This reputation is built on a tangible commitment to excellence. Every handmade product is inspected with care, and rigorous quality control processes in factories ensure that only the best products reach consumers. It encompasses electronics, automobiles, fashion, cuisine, and traditional arts. From the precision of an electronics assembly line to the creativity of a fashion designer, the culinary artistry of a sushi chef, and the grace of a traditional dancer, Japanese craftsmanship is diverse and multifaceted. These values resonate with consumers worldwide, seeking products that embody artistry and enduring value. International shoppers admire the quality and innovation of Japanese products, appreciating the blend of tradition and modernity. The story of Japanese craftsmanship is a compelling narrative of cultural heritage and constant improvement. It is a journey of preserving age-old techniques while embracing new technologies, creating a harmonious balance that continues to inspire and captivate the world. The pursuit of perfection is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. This pursuit is embodied in the concept of monozukuri and its profound impact on various aspects of life. Monozukuri translates to the art, science, and spirit of making things. It is a philosophy that goes beyond mere production. It encompasses a deep respect for materials, the creation process, and the goal of producing exceptional quality. This respect is evident in every step, from selecting the finest materials to the final inspection. Monozukuri emphasizes continuous improvement and meticulous attention to detail. This relentless pursuit of excellence ensures that each product is a masterpiece in its own right. This dedication to perfection is evident in every aspect of Japanese manufacturing, from traditional crafts to cutting-edge technology. It's about exceeding industry standards and striving for an ideal that often surpasses global expectations. This commitment to quality is what sets Japanese products apart in the global market. The impact of monozukuri extends beyond factories, influencing education, business practices, and consumer expectations. It shapes the way people think about quality and craftsmanship. It fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement, encouraging individuals to constantly seek better ways to do things. The core principles of monozukuri ensure that the legacy of Japanese craftsmanship endures. This legacy is passed down through generations, preserving the art and science of making things with unparalleled precision and care. Monozukuri is not just a method of production. It is a way of life that celebrates the harmony between human skill and technological advancement. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of Japanese innovation and dedication. Omotenashi, the heart of Japanese hospitality and business. This concept is deeply rooted in Japanese culture and is evident in every interaction, whether in a bustling city or a serene countryside. Omotenashi embodies a genuine desire to fulfill the needs of others. It goes beyond mere service. It is about anticipating and exceeding expectations, ensuring that every guest feels valued and respected. This spirit of selfless service permeates Japanese business, from customer interactions to product design. In meetings, employees strive to understand client needs deeply, and in craftsmanship, every detail is meticulously attended to. In business, it translates into exceptional customer service and long-term relationships. Companies invest in training their staff to be attentive and responsive, ensuring that every customer feels heard and appreciated. Japanese companies create positive and memorable experiences. Whether it's a family dining in a traditional restaurant or tourists exploring local shops, the emphasis is always on creating joy and satisfaction. This dedication fosters loyalty and reinforces the perception of high-quality products. Customers return not just for the products, but for the exceptional service and the feeling of being genuinely cared for. Omotenashi is reflected in the design and functionality of Japanese products. From traditional crafts to modern electronics, the focus is on creating items that are both beautiful and highly functional. Intuitive interfaces and ergonomic designs show a deep understanding of user needs. Every product is crafted with the end user in mind, ensuring ease of use and maximum satisfaction. Omotenashi shapes how businesses operate and interact with customers. Training sessions emphasize empathy and attentiveness, and business strategies are built around customer satisfaction. It represents a genuine commitment to providing value and building trust. This commitment is celebrated within companies and recognized by customers, creating a cycle of mutual respect and appreciation that defines Japanese hospitality and business. Trust as a foundation. The reliability of Japanese suppliers. The trustworthiness of Japanese suppliers is a cornerstone of global demand. This reputation is built on honoring commitments and maintaining high ethical standards. Japanese suppliers deliver quality products on time and as agreed. They proactively solve problems and ensure customer satisfaction. Long-term relationships foster stability and consistency in supply chains. This collaborative approach strengthens the competitiveness of Japanese manufacturing. Trust is a key ingredient in the enduring success of Japanese manufacturing. A legacy of excellence centuries-old Japanese companies. Japan boasts many long-established companies, some operating for centuries. These companies represent the enduring strength of Japanese business practices. They adapt and innovate while staying true to core values of quality and craftsmanship. Their longevity speaks to the resilience of Japanese business culture. These companies play a vital role in the economy and global demand for Japanese products. They blend tradition and modernity, ensuring continued success. Their stories offer valuable lessons in long-term vision and adaptability. The art of inheritance. Preserving traditional Japanese crafts. Preserving traditional crafts is crucial to Japan's cultural heritage. These crafts embody respect for materials and meticulous attention to detail. The apprenticeship system ensures skills and philosophies are passed down. Traditional crafts inspire contemporary design and manufacturing. This blend of tradition and modernity enhances the appeal of Japanese products. Preserving these crafts ensures the vitality of Japan's creative industries. Technological prowess. Innovation meets tradition. Japan leads in technological innovation, driving global demand. This innovation is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. It's a harmonious blend of tradition and new technologies. This fusion gives Japanese products a distinct edge. Examples include precision-engineered watches and sleek high-speed trains. Continued investment in R&D maintains Japan's global leadership. This blend of tradition and innovation ensures ongoing success. Design aesthetics, the minimalist beauty of Japanese products. Japanese design emphasizes minimalism, functionality, and natural materials. This philosophy creates visually appealing and user-friendly products. The minimalist approach balances form and function. Natural materials add warmth and authenticity. Japanese design influences global trends, inspiring simplicity and functionality. This global influence underscores the timeless elegance of Japanese design. Sustainability and environmental consciousness. Japanese manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly practices. This commitment is rooted in a deep respect for nature. Companies invest in renewable energy and minimize waste. The concept of promotes resource efficiency. Eco-friendly design includes durable and repairable products. This focus on sustainability enhances the appeal of Japanese products. Adaptability and global reach. Catering to international markets. Japanese companies adapt products and strategies for international markets. They conduct market research and tailor designs to local preferences. Effective communication and localization are key. Building strong relationships with local partners is essential. This adaptability ensures success in the global marketplace. Japanese companies' commitment to quality and customization drives global demand. The enduring appeal, a synthesis of quality, culture, and innovation. The appeal of Japanese products lies in quality, culture, and innovation. This combination transcends functionality, embodying artistry and value. Quality is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. Cultural values shape the work ethic and production process. Innovation drives continuous improvement and cutting-edge products. This blend of tradition and innovation ensures enduring appeal. The future of Japanese craftsmanship. A legacy continues. Japan nurtures a blend of tradition and innovation. Commitment to quality and respect for tradition ensures continued success. New generations build on foundations with new technologies. Sustainability presents new opportunities for growth. Japanese products meet the demand for high-quality, ethical goods. The future of Japanese craftsmanship shapes global manufacturing and consumption. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into Japanese craftsmanship.